Welcome to Short Courses. Meditation is easier than you think. Let's see most inspiring quotes about meditation. Learn to be calm and you will always be happy. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts, but recognizing that we are more than our thoughts and our feelings. With meditation, you become a sensitized superhero, completely in control, with endless possibilities at your fingertips. Meditation is a vital way to purify and quiet the mind, thus rejuvenating the body. Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges. So relax. Meditation is the ultimate mobile device. You can use it anywhere, anytime, unobtrusively. The mind is definitely something that can be transformed, and meditation is a means to transform it. Do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. Calmness of mind is one of the beautiful jewels of wisdom. Truth is the offspring of silence and meditation. Meditation is not you going through thoughts, it's letting thoughts go through you. Meditation is painful in the beginning, but it bestows immortal bliss and supreme joy in the end. Meditation applies the brakes to the mind. Meditation is acceptance. It is the acceptance of life within us, without us, and all around us. Acceptance of life is the beginning of human satisfaction. Meditation brings wisdom. Lack of meditation leaves ignorance. Know well what leads you forward and what holds you back, and choose the path that leads to wisdom. Suffering is due to our disconnection with the inner soul. Meditation is establishing that connection. Hope you like these words about meditation. Subscribe for more. Thank you. Have a great day.